Hello, and welcome back to another video on Trojan Gaming. And today, I'm going to be telling you how to tame the 4 basic farm animals. That is the chicken, the cow, the pig, and the sheep. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Now, you might be wondering, in the last tutorial, I killed my wolf. How do I have a wolf? Well, I just spawned another wolf and I tamed it. So yeah. But let's start with the taming. So for a chicken, you just feed it and make it love you. And if you get another chicken, get another chicken, spawn another chicken, and you tame it, make it so it has hearts, then it'll mate, and yeah, I'll get a baby chicken. So yeah, so for a cow, just hold we up to its face, feed, and then make it love you. So you get another little baby cow. And then for the pig, you get the pig, you get this, and then you have to feed it. And then see if you get like another pig thing. Then so you get a baby pig. And you get a sheep. And you made it. Or make it love you anyways. I don't really know how this thing works. And as you can see, yeah. And so, now I'm going to be showing you the abilities of each of these creatures. So, starting with chickens. So chickens, they just will randomly lay an egg. Chickens will just randomly lay the egg. Will randomly lay eggs. At a random time. Let's leave an egg somewhere and you can pick it up. Now for cows, let's see me get a bucket real quick. Get a bucket, you go hold it up to one of the adult ones. You can just milk it. You can see. And milk is good for making recipes, or you can just drink it as a nice health regen. Or you can drink it as a free health regen. Okay. Now for the pigs. You can get a saddle and a carrot on a stick. I'm guessing sheep are dying from the... Yep, the sheep died. Because, yep, that just happens. Saddle. And you can, if you mount it, and you get a carrot on a stick, you can control it. See, as you can see, control it. It's a really nice thing. Which can be nice if you don't have a horse or something like that. And, so yeah, so one more thing. Oh yeah, and you can boost it. Yeah, which is really nice. It's really funny. Boost! Wait. And, yeah. But yeah, I have one last thing to do. Buddy, you're probably gonna hate me for this, but, wait, why can I hate you? Go get him, dog boy. Why aren't you getting him? So yeah. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to like and, as always, subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now.